Okay guys, I have a small Trader Joe's Thanksgiving prep haul for you today. We, with numbers the way they are, decided to just have it just us and my sister. So we're not going anywhere for Thanksgiving. We are making our own meal, and we've been prepping for a while. We got the turkey breast from Costco a while back. It's been in the freezer. We've gotten cranberries, just random things here and there. And so today I'm filming this. Hopefully I'm gonna get it up 2 days before Thanksgiving as well. So this is just like the last little bit of stuff we needed, as well as some Trader Joe's greenery, which was out, and some fun gift sets. So I wanted to share. So let's get into it. I got Ludi here. Hey. Are you a good boy? You ready for your first Thanksgiving? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. All right, starting with produce. Bradley's making Brussels sprouts, which this thing is so cool. Plants are wild. So he got that. Excuse me. Ludo, get down, please. Get down. Hey, get down. Thank you. No, okay. Bradley's here too.
I'm here.
What are you doing?
I was writing, this is my list of what we're making. I wrote down, I don't want to forget to make gravy.
Oh yes, we already bought some like gravy from Trader Joe's. They have it in a box.
Breakdown of what we're making. We're making turkey, stuffing, potatoes, cranberries, mac and cheese, rolls, Brussels sprouts, green beans, pecan pie, and gravy. That's way too much food for the three of us.
It's Thanksgiving.
Also, I'm having a Friendsgiving with my friends over Zoom Friday night, so I'm like, it will be leftovers for...
No problem with Thanksgiving leftovers.
Extra meal.
There's a good boy!
Okay.
Look at this boy!
Okay, back to the haul. So we got some bananas just because, some pears because, you guys, I'm on a Bartlett pear kick right now, so I got a couple of those. We got some oranges, one for the cranberry sauce, two for a DIY I'm going to make for Holiday Me, so stay tuned for that. Also, I needed lemons for that DIY. We got an onion because they were out of our pre-sliced onions, so death, we're gonna have to cut one up. And 2 avocados. Also green beans, like he just said, we're making green beans, and celery for stuffing. Then some other random stuff, just spaghetti to stock back up on. This was so cute. They had a cuter one last year. It was like a white chocolate snowman that melted in your like milk and it made hot chocolate. But this one's just like a really cute stirring spoon, which I don't want to buy a whole thing of hot chocolate powder, so this will work for like one night when I'm craving it. So I'm excited about that. I am super excited about this. One, because this was 10 bucks and I think would make an incredible gift for the Trader Joe's lover or the foodie in your life. But also it has 2 like exclusive blends in here. So spicy Italian sprinkle and cocoa cinnamon sugar. I of course love the everything but the bagel seasoning. We love the chili lime. I always put that when I make my chicken avocado bowls or guacamole or when we just have taco night. It's really good. It's not too spicy for me. We haven't tried the everything but the elote seasoning, so now we get to. But I just thought this was such a good gift idea. So run to your Trader Joe's, get one if you want one, but I can't wait to like smell and taste those. Don't let me interrupt. And then this is so cute. This is a moisturizing lip balm set. I'm particularly excited about the strawberry tangerine and the raspberry cream, but there's green tea, peppermint, watermelon, and almond cream as well. This is so cute. Perfect stocking stuffer. I'm gonna mention both of these in my gift guide, so spoiler alert during Holiday Me, because I think they would be such a good gift, but in case you see it now and you definitely want to make sure you get it, go get them now. Then we have some seasonings. We have the 21 seasoning salute, which we used up. Bradley loves this stuff. It won't focus. But this stuff tastes really, really good. I don't even know what to describe it tastes like. It just is fantastic. And then some more pepper, just because we go through pepper so quickly. It's just some random stock ups. Chicken broth. What are you using the syrup for? Your cranberry sauce?
No, pecan pie.
Pecan pie, beautiful. And some peanut butter. Bradley's Boatswain beer. I have a random packet of onion dip in the pantry, so we got sour cream to have as like an appetizer on Thanksgiving. Get rid of that packet of onion dip. And who doesn't love onion dip? But then also some eggs, butter for baking, and then of course, these are so good and Weight Watchers friendly. You can have half this packet for 8 points, which I think is so fair. The organic caprese ravioli, they're so good. If you haven't tried them yet, do it because they're just so good. So fresh tasting and great. And then lastly, the greenery, we got the garland. They had everything. They had like the sprigs, the wreaths, the trees, all sorts of shit. But I've never gotten the garland. I see so many people use it each year and I'm always jealous, but I never catch it while it's there. So I was so excited. It smells so good. It feels great. I'm very pumped about that. I got 2 things of flowers just because I am loving having flowers right here in my eye vase. And then we also have some around the corner in this vase. So I wanted to get some more flowers and I liked the way these 2 looked. Green kind of like carnation looking things. And I don't even know what these are, but they just look like Dr. Seuss flowers and I really liked them. Don't mind my shoes. And then I got this really cute little sparkly, just like Christmas tree, and it smells really good. It's the Eco Glittered Euro Tree. This was like outside the store and it got me, because look at the glitter. And it smells like a real Christmas tree and it's glorious. So, okay guys, that is it. My very quick Trader Joe's haul. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If I don't talk to you on here before, I hope you guys have a lovely Thanksgiving. Be safe, and I love you.